Meet John. John is the CEO for a mid-cap, high-growth IoT company. He's looking to fill a VP role, but is having trouble finding candidates that match the company's needs. HR posted the job on the company website, LinkedIn, Indeed, and on social media. After several interviews, he's having trouble finding candidates that match the company's needs and vision. John conducted a few more interviews with candidates he thought were a good fit, but it turned out they did not match the qualities of the engineering teams. After 3 months of efforts going nowhere, John went online and searched for help. He quickly found NextGen Global Executive Search, a retained search firm that specializes in finding A players within the IoT industry. John discovered that the NextGen team focused on not the qualifications alone, but what the new hire will be doing with those skills, outlined the ideal accomplishments candidates should bring to the table, and use psychometrics to determine the ideal relational communication skills, decision-making traits, and personality that would best fit with the existing engineering team. Just 6 weeks after teaming up with NextGen, John was presented 3 shortlisted candidates that not only exceeded his expectations but fit perfectly within the role and integrated quickly into the engineering team culture. Retaining NextGen to fill this role was a smart move by John. Gaining access to their award-winning recruitment technology, John was able to hire a top IoT engineering leader that has been with the company for over 3 years now, exceeding the short-term objectives. NextGen Global Executive Search, the leader in retaining search recruiting within the IoT industry, backed up by a 24-month replacement guarantee. Schedule your free demo today.